Hi everybody, I'm Natalie.
And I'm John.
And we are here for our next unboxing video.
Yep, so let's open it up and take a look.
Open up our boxes. John has agreed to let me open my own box
Yep, I trust you.
We talked about razor safety. I am cutting away from myself.
That's right.
Alright. I love unboxing day.
Alright. Ready?
Woo, yes, let's go.
Okay, let's take a look. So the first book we have is Remote Sympathy by Catherine Chigi. What do you think?
Interesting. I'm getting garden vibes. I'm getting open air. Yeah, black and yellow. Pittsburgh.
It's the same, but it works. Okay, this is actually a novel about the Holocaust. Basically, a couple, Frau Hahn, is moving in with her husband, who is an SS Sturmbannführer. He works in the SS, and he is overseeing a camp at Buchenwald while she is living in a lovely apartment. Well, she is living in a lovely home filled with craftsmen. And this book is about the kind of the evils of obliviousness.
Oh, okay. Well, the evil of my obliviousness of that cover. All right, let's see what we got next. All right. Looks like we have The Shell Collector by Nancy Nagel. John, what do you think?
Okay, well, this one is obviously the hobby of shell collecting. Who doesn't love going on the beach, seeing what snail shells, clam shells, oyster shells?
Yeah.
Picking it up, taking it home, displaying it. Obviously, this is a book about crafts.
I can't disagree with you. Let's see what it says. Let's see. 2 years after her husband's death, Amanda Whittier has 2 children to raise alone, and she has a fixer-upper cottage by the sea. So. Nothing about collecting shells on the back here, so I hope that comes into play.
Okay.
So, maybe perhaps a romance. Feeling romance from this one. All right, what do we got next?
Let's see. Next one is The Mothers by Genevieve Gannon. And what do you think?
Well, this is obviously timely with Mother's Day coming up. So, it's got to be about some moms raising kids. Looks like a little vintage nursery there, so maybe some 1950s moms,
All right.
We'll see.
Let's see. Well, this is actually about in vitro fertilization. It's about 2 couples who are trying to get pregnant, and unfortunately, after 6 attempts for one couple in their 40s, there's not much hope. For another couple's trying to get pregnant as well, but it's not much is going right. And then a year later, they find out that one mother has been impregnated with the other mother's embryo. And this is about the drama about should the mother of the embryo, should she seek to get her child, or should she just leave the family alone?
Wow, talk about a television show in the making.
Yeah.
I really can see that coming to film. All right, let's see what we have next. All right. Looks like we have Emily Henry, People We Meet on Vacation. What do we think, John? Very colorful.
All right. Well, obviously, this is a guide for travelers. So what we're talking about is the people we meet on vacation. Obviously, your travel agent, your flight attendant, the hotel concierge, and of course, the other people you meet while on the deck of, say, your cruise ship or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's basically about how to act, what to do, what to talk about. Very nice social instruction book.
Oh, I could see that. I could definitely see that. Actually, I think it's a romance, John. Yeah, Emily Henry, she is a romance writer. She wrote Beach Read last year. That was a big hit. So if you liked that, definitely check this out. Looks like Alex and Poppy, they have nothing in common, but somehow they have been friends for many years. Looks like this is a friends to lovers romance novel. I'm not going to give much else away, but it looks like it's going to be a good summer beach read. So definitely check that out.
All right. And I've got one more in my box.
Ooh.
So let's see. This is Turning Down the Noise, The Quiet Power of Silence in a Busy World by Christine Jackman. So what do you think?
John, could you be a little softer? A little softer.
Okay.
Turning down the noise, the quiet power of silence. Well, that's definitely not what my house sounds like. It's definitely a loud, loud home. So I'm guessing it has to do with maybe, the recent studies that extended access to loud noises could cause hearing damage. So I'm guessing it has to do with the research on that.
Well, actually, what it's about is that author Christine Jackman had an executive position in Sydney, a house in the Harborside suburbs, meeting with CEOs, very important person, but she was finding that she was getting drowned out by the noise in her life. So this book is about trying to find a better way of being by trying to find times to distract ourselves from the noise, whether that's actual noise, what's happening in our brains, our lives, our media, and just to find time to enjoy the silence and reconnect with ourselves.
Oh, okay. That probably also includes actual silence.
Yes, actual silence.
Also metaphorical silence. So I wasn't far off, but I was still far off. All right. All right, looks like I have last one as well. So let's take a look at that.
All right.
Ooh, A Theater for Dreamers by Polly Sampson.
Oh, wow.
John, what do we think?
Okay, obviously this is about going on tour for Dream Theater, the 1985 progressive rock group.
Interesting.
Progressive
Dream
metal,
Theater.
yes.
Okay.
So obviously,
Big fan, John? Big fan, John?
A little,
Okay.
yeah. So basically this is about, following them on tour. Obviously we're in a nice island setting, so you get to hit a lot of places if you go to a world tour. Gets a little expensive, but well worth it, very life enriching.
All right, yes, so being sort of a roadie or a groupie. Okay, all right, let's see. Looks like 1960s.
Oh.
And it's on the Greek island of Hydra. And looks like we have someone traveling and meeting all these people. She's from London. I'm getting Mamma Mia vibes. Maybe not as much song and dance, but definitely some interesting adventures here on a Greek island. So if you're looking to travel without having to go anywhere, this might be a good place for you to check out. All right, well, I'm out of books.
So am I.
You're out of books, so I guess that's it for this week. Thanks for joining us. Have a good day.
See ya. Have a nice day.